Explosion-proof industrial small-scale meteorological station. It is a meteorological monitoring equipment designed for high-risk industries such as chemical and coal mines that contain flammable and explosive gases or dust. Its core feature lies in professional explosion-proof design. This design ensures the safe and stable operation of the meteorological station in special environments. Effectively prevent explosion accidents caused by factors such as electric sparks or high temperatures. The meteorological station integrates advanced sensing technology, capable of high-precision real-time monitoring key meteorological parameters such as temperature, humidity, wind speed, etc. in the environment. The high sensitivity and accuracy of sensors ensure the reliability of monitoring data. Provided strong data support for industrial safety production. In terms of construction, the weather station uses sturdy and durable materials, capable of withstanding harsh industrial environments, such as high temperature, low temperature, humidity, corrosion, etc., ensure that the meteorological station is not easily damaged during long-term operation. Reduced maintenance costs and increased service life.